Alright guys, super simple. Pop two bolts out, pop the CV axle, put the new axle in. Make sure you get quality parts. Alright, so this thing lost a ball joint. We had to put a new CV axle in. New CV axle. The CV axle wobbled. It was bad. Took it out, put another new one in, put a new line on it, put a new shock on it, tie rod end, inner tie rod end, and lower ball joint. Car is rusty and old. Alright guys, so we're gonna remove the fender. First we gotta hit all these Phillips screws right here for the inner fender. Pull all of them out. That one was bad and stripped. You can tell that it's rust. Alright, let's get a number 10, hit all this and be done with it. we are working on this Honda CR-V. Now we're gonna be installing this final trim piece, and then we're gonna be doing the inner fender. Now this wheel fell off because of the ball joint. We had to replace CV axle, strut, sway bar link, lower ball joint, and tie rod end. So now we replaced the fender, we painted it. Now this is just rattle can cheap, and we're gonna be installing this flare as one of the final things. All right, now it's looking pretty good, and this is what it's looking like. There is a color change, but you know, that was $30 worth of paint. Otherwise, it's looking pretty good. The CR-V is coming together.